In previous lessons, we have discussed a bit about the asset classes, so now we know they are very useful and we can use them to control a lot of the features of the master records of fixed assets. But the main purpose always with asset classes is to classify. So, of course, we use them to classify the different master records of different assets. Now, it's very common when we are working with a customer that, well, at some point in time we will probably have to create a new asset class. So in this lesson we will show the steps how we can do that. Of course, we are in the customizing menu in the implementation guide, and inside financial accounting, let's open asset accounting, organizational structures. We have a complete section for asset classes, and here we will start the define asset classes transaction. So we will create a new asset class, copying an existing one. So we will just select the line for machinery equipment, and of course we can just click copy as. The first thing we need to do is we need to assign the new ID for this new asset class. So we can just delete the existing value for this field, and let's enter the ID for the new asset class. Now, of course, we don't want to have the same description, so let's just delete that. And this is well, we will use this just for heavy equipment. We can just type that also as the short text actually. And well, this at the end of the day, it's very similar to the machinery. So we won't modify for the time being any of the other parameters. We won't modify the count determination, even the screen layout rule, the number range. We want this just to be shared among the heavy equipment and the just machinery and regular equipment. So let's just press enter in the keyboard. And well, it will just say, okay, the number of entries copied is just one. That's fine. We have our new asset class here, so we can just save it. And of course, let's just verify the customizing change request. And because everything's correct, now we have just this success message here at the bottom saying data was correctly saved. So we can just quit. And of course, with this, we are finishing the lesson, but we invite you to keep learning with all of our trainings.